Anyone want the countdown as an NFT? Anyone? For anyone interested, here it is. Start the countdown. Welcome to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take trending investment ideas and try to take them to the moon. I'm Head of Mission Control, Aaron Davis, and this week we're going to attempt to sort through a topic that still has a lot of people scratching their heads, but a ton of implications for investors. That's right, this week we're looking at non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's take a look at what's going on with NFTs and where it might take us. NFTs have certainly made a name for themselves in the past year, with digital images, videos, music, and media being auctioned off and sold for staggering prices. The popular Nyan Cat sold for $590,000, Jack Dorsey's and Twitter's first ever tweet sold for $2.9 million, and the most expensive NFT transaction to date was Beeple's Everyday's The First 5,000 Days, which sold for an incredible $69 million. The first question many people ask when talking about NFTs is, how does a digital file that can be easily copied across the internet have a value in the millions? While it's true that these digital assets exist across the information superhighway, the ownership and value is based on a collective communal agreement that the sole ownership, different from copyright, falls to whomever purchases what's called a non-fungible token, or NFT. The idea behind an NFT is the ownership of the token is unique and cannot be replicated. This is because of the public record on the blockchain that shows who paid for and who owns said digital asset. This means that while many may have a copy of an NFT, the record of ownership remains on the blockchain and enforced by the collective societal agreement that the individual is the owner. In essence, NFTs are a cutting-edge way for an investor to prove ownership of a digital asset. As a result, many institutions are looking for ways to leverage and invest in NFTs. For example, this past month saw Visa enter the NFT industry, purchasing the CryptoPunk NFT titled CryptoPunk number 7160 on August 18th for $150,000. The NFT is a 24 by 24 pixel illustration of a CryptoPunk, a feminine sprite bearing a mohawk and green eyeliner. A product of Larva Labs, these CryptoPunks are a series of 10,000 unique collectible characters, Visa obviously purchasing the CryptoPunk numbered 7610. While many may see this as a superfluous purchase, the implications for institutions like Visa are paramount, with the idea and technology behind NFT transactions translating into other areas of commerce like insurance contracts, property deeds, and other important documents. While the purchase of the NFT is more of a part of Visa's history of purchasing and preserving valuable items of commerce, like paper credit cards and early credit payment machines, Visa sees NFTs as an integral way in which humans will conduct commerce transactions in the future. Last week, we examined some of the fuel behind the again rise of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole, which in turn correlates with the again rise of popularity in NFTs. Investor Place market analyst Thomas Young discusses how these two events are related, stating, much like the technology in 1999 or the 2006 housing bubble, rising markets create pockets of unimaginable wealth. Just ask a Florida home flipper where they vacationed that year. Today, the same pattern is forming in cryptocurrencies. Rising crypto prices have sent speculators into some of the lowest quality assets imaginable. Consider the vast sums spent on seemingly ludicrous NFTs. And the eventual shakeout will inevitably kill off weaker players while allowing the stronger ones to fill the void. Young further examines some of the medium and long-term cryptocurrencies that may continue to benefit from the NFT boom, highlighting Dogecoin, Cardano, Stellar, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu as likely coins to ride the NFT wave. Cryptocurrency isn't the only thing riding the NFT wave. As a result of crypto entrepreneur Justin Sun's purchase of an NFT of a pet rock for $600,000, NFT stocks rose with art group Takun Art, ticker TKAT, gaining 7.5%, and venture capitalist groups like Vinco Ventures, BBIG, and JIN Group, JFIN, both groups that have invested in NFTs in the past, see an influx of buyers and rise 8% and 13% respectively. Investor Place contributor David Moedel had this to say in his bullish reaction to Vinco Ventures' rise, stating, "Okay, So big stock is a penny stock, yet this doesn't mean Vinco Ventures isn't making big moves. The planned Lomotiv acquisition should add great deal of value to Vinco's shareholders, and with the company moving forward on the fiscal front, Vinco Ventures remains a growth story worth watching and investing in. However, Investor Place contributor Stavros Georgidis' bearish look had this to say: if destroying the book value per share is a BIG strategy, then you get my point about big stock. Avoid it. Rather than building value, the company has destroyed value. Regardless of whether a bullish or bearish approach towards NFTs is merited, big stock was up 43.4% as of noon this past Friday. Finally, the 9 NCTY, a China-based internet company, announced the launch of NFT platform NFT Star. This subsidiary of the 9 will launch an NFT trading and community platform expected to launch in the fourth quarter of 2021 using pre-registration incentives as part of the announcement. Users can purchase different tiers of blind boxes and own Stars' limited NFT collections. The NFT Star community will feature stars from various fields, including but not limited to sports, entertainment, art, and other industry celebrities. Global sports stars will be the first main partners at the initial launch, as the 9 will soon announce NFT Stars' sports stars lineup one by one. But what do you think? Are NFTs a viable investment? Are NFTs a bubble just waiting to pop? Is there anyone who wants the countdown as an NFT? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this, head on over to investorplace.com, where we will continue to watch for trends like NFTs, and as always, try to shoot for the moon.